Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not for from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And as usual, my peeps, me there yourself I tell you know what I go on for not to go on. You see me? So let's just kick it off with makeup Shan. Whoa, she has been arrested by Florida police them for domestic violence. You see me, I say she has 2 charges, slap on 9 of the day, yeah, you know. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Like I said, one of them is DV, and one DV and using weapon and all of them bullshit there, you see me? Now, she hasn't seen a judge yet, so I haven't seen the police report yet. But a lot of people is speculating, this incident is between she and her wife. Yes, wife. And a very jealous wife, you see me, I say. Because, makeup Shan look good, you know what I mean? But a lot of people didn't recognize the mug shots and all of these good stuff. So, just giving you a quick update while I go on for not to go on with that. Right now, let's proceed. Now, people, it's officially over. VH1 is pulling the plug on Love and Hip Hop, and there will be no more script after being in business for 15 years. You see, I say, you know what, they have VH1, they buy it from whatever BT or whoever did have it on them program. You see, I say, but I guess lack of, view sales, XYZ, it just wasn't fruitful in, continuing this stuff. This man say, Jocelyn, Cardi B, and a bag of people, made something out of it. Not sure where the other season acts is going to go. But yeah, Spice, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, people, say Spice involved in the next set of bagga. The people them say Spice, oh yeah, do some hobby or business, because she rock the blue and all of these things. So let's listen to what I go on for not to go on and proceed with the next.
Many of your favorite artists, influencers, dancers, actors are not just entertainers. Their music, their outfits, their performances are rituals. Spice the Dancehall artist is known for her boldness, her sexuality, and most importantly, the color blue. She is almost always dressed in different shades of blue. I don't think this is just her signature. I think this is spiritual alignment. In Yoruba and Afro-Caribbean traditions, blue is the sacred color of Yemaya, the Orisha goddess of the ocean, motherhood and fertility. Yemaya is not a fictional character. Yemaya is a marine spirit, invoked in rituals and worshipped by many in Santeria, voodoo, and other practices. Let's be clear, these Orishas are not the Holy Spirit. They are fallen entities, spirits that demands dances, devotions, and offerings. This performance surprisingly didn't shock many.
Spice Sego.
Goat horns, dancers mimicking goats. But if you are spiritually awake, this shouldn't surprise you, and you already know. The goat isn't just a random animal.
Okay, people, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know nothing about Orisha or Yabaru or whatever them call it. When me speak to my ancestors, are the ones me know and grow with. You feel me? That's obviously not here no more. However, RT Boss, international spiritual celebrity advisor to Spice said, once she broke away from him, she started to do her own thing and mix and mingle with some people, and she hasn't got a hit since. This is so I really don't know what's going on for her to go on, but just giving an update. That's what they're saying, because she's been under heavy fire since Daniela Prophet, whatever her name, did invite her to do one church fundraiser function. You see me? Anyway, people, do not forget to check out these next suggested videos on the sip on the screen scene. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so. And turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bliss.